Yeah, hi Fred, it's Mark at FMAV. Just to let you know, this is number 2. That's all done for you, and it's fully working. Basically, what I've done is I've removed the laser, put a new laser in for you, given it a bit of a clean up for you, check the micro switch, check the board, and it's working. Also as well, what I did do, because when I pushed that down, it weren't moving, so what I've done is I've pulled it up about a millimetre, just over a millimetre, so it's got space, and then I've super glued it for you, because next time you put that in, possibly when the clamp goes down, depending on how hard the clamp is, it'll push that down and it won't move, and then you're going to get problems with that. So I've done that for you as well, just to let you know. But I'll just turn it up for you. So as soon as I get payment, that'll get out. That's ready to be shipped to you, buddy. Thanks again. Really appreciate your business, and yeah, very grateful. Thank you very much, Fred. Have a great one.